This van girl, that van guy, bunch of stoners told me to use the number 10. I totally did this before and I totally forgot. You're supposed to use an E10, external 10. It's supposed to be one of these to replace the tensioner. I had to do this because, well, the 10 kind of stripped my screw. I don't know if you can see it down there, but that head is all messed up. I thought I was going to replace it with one from the oil pan, but those are shorter, so I don't know. I ended up doing this from above the vehicle, and oh, there we go. Now you can see how stripped that is, that head. 3 E12 bolts holding a power steering pump, and I just pushed that underneath that hose. Was able to do this from above. Oh geez, maybe I should do my fuel filter as well. And those stoners really screwed me up. I'm really pissed off. But yeah, you're gonna have to go from below in order to set the tensioner. Put an Allen wrench in or something. Obviously something's wrong with mine because of all the little rust dust. It's making a very strange noise at idle. You couldn't hear it when you're revving, but pretty sure that dust is coming from one of these bearings. I'll try to post a video after I take this thing apart. But just trying to post up a video to keep people away from that van guy, this van girl, whatever the hell their name is, and that Zamata character. Oh my god, that guy drives me nuts. He's like, oh, I think it's this, I think it's that. Ever notice he's redoing his car like 50 million times? The same problem? He's got a junkyard of sprinters for a reason. I've only got one. I've had this thing since 2005. Looks like I'm going to have a turbo leak. Oh well, what to do? It's raining. I gotta hurry up. Thanks.